Okay, if you look at this question, determine if the following relations represent y as a function of x. Now what I've done is I've rearranged all the equations to give me y equals, okay? So this one was already at y equals, and so was that one, okay? So what I did here was take away the 7x squared to give me this. What I've done in this one is divide by negative 3x to get to y equals. That's why I have that one, okay? So the problem with this one here is it's got a y squared in it. So when I do rearrange it, if I take away the 5x first here, I still have to square root both sides, and that will give me this. Now, can you see it? Whenever you square root, you're always going to get plus and minus. So if I have y squared equals x, if I square root both sides, I will get y equals plus and minus the root of x, okay? What I'm saying here is for one value of x, I am going to get two answers, okay? I get two answers out, so that is not a function, okay? And of course, the clue here is it's got a y squared in it.